Hello, and your favourite Fumble Fingered Fool here, Captain Clumsy, and welcome to a very special unboxing and installation video that will hopefully take not very long. So, what's in the box here, you ask? Ta-da! It's a handlebar mounted clock, and the main reason I bought this was because although the Guzzi has its own built-in clock, it's bloody irritating to use, because it only comes on if you press the button, because this being an Italian bike, it decides to always show you the temperature, because la bella temperature, or something like that. So here it is, and it feels solid in the flesh. Is it any different to the cheapy ones advertised on the internet? Got this one from, let's look it up, Pro Street Cycles. They claim it's British made. So there it is, black face, chrome surrounds. Let's go, gadget legs. So, very simple. Put it on the bar, line it up, and again, this is a matter of, there's no right way and no wrong way. Oh, I think it would be easier if I could see what I'm doing. There we go. There. So, that looked right. Bit that way. Probably ought to be using some sort of measuring tool. Near enough. So there we are. It's installed. I won't tighten it any tighter than that. Let's take it out and see if that works. Thanks for watching this short installation video. I've done something right for once. Hurrah!